the duo-pitched roof can be supported with a furring on a horizontal support and fixed through the furring into the main support. On a similar way, a pitched roof can be also installed on a furring. However, correct stainless steel fixings will need to be used. You can use Z-spacers in place of a furring, though this is not suitable for butt joint support. Also, top hats can be used for the same application. Hot rolled steel angle can be used on masonry walls for the roof deck edge support.